Welcome to Visual Education. Today, we're diving into the world of sheep, creatures far more fascinating than their fluffy reputation suggests. Beneath their woolly exterior lies surprising intelligence, emotional depth, and survival skills honed over millennia. Let's uncover the remarkable truths of this extraordinary animal. In a flock, recognizing others is crucial, and sheep excel at it. They can remember at least 50 faces, both sheep and human, for years. This memory shapes friendships, social hierarchies, and trust within the flock. When a new sheep arrives, it's scrutinized and remembered. When a friend is lost, the absence is felt. Their world is one of distinct personalities, bound together by memory. Sheep can read human faces, distinguishing smiles from frowns and preferring positive expressions. This skill helps them anticipate our actions, a vital survival tool for a prey animal. Within the flock, they sense each other's emotions through posture, voice, and subtle cues. A single distressed bleat can alert the entire group. Sheep are sensitive beings attuned to the emotional currents around them. Not all sheep are woolly. Some, like the Katadine and Dorper, are hair sheep adapted for hot climates. These breeds shed hair naturally, thriving where woolly coats would be a liability. This adaptation shows sheep's incredible versatility. From Scottish Highlands to African plains, sheep have evolved to fit their environments. The diversity of sheep challenges our stereotypes. Even the most familiar animals can surprise us. The term sheep, as a synonym for mindless follower, is unfair. Sheep solve problems, navigate mazes, and remember solutions, showing real intelligence. They learn tasks quickly and remember them, demonstrating logical reasoning. In the wild, this helps them find food, water, and avoid danger. Sheep are active thinkers, not passive grazers. Sheep have horizontal, rectangular pupils and eyes on the sides of their heads. This gives them a panoramic field of vision, up to 320 degrees almost all around them. Even while grazing, they can spot danger from nearly any direction. Their eyes rotate to keep the horizon stable, ensuring constant vigilance. It's a natural masterpiece of survival engineering. When sick, sheep instinctively seek out medicinal plants, a behavior called zoopharmacognosy. For example, they'll eat tannin-rich plants to fight parasites. This is targeted, not random, grazing, guided by memory and senses. Sheep actively manage their health using nature's pharmacy. They're not just victims of disease but participants in their own care. Flocks are complex societies built on deep friendships. Sheep choose companions and form bonds that last for years. Separation causes real stress and anxiety, highlighting their need for connection. Social cohesion is a powerful survival strategy. More eyes, more safety. Emotional bonds, not just instinct, hold the flock together. Sheep have journeyed with humans for over 10,000 years, first domesticated in the Fertile Crescent. They provided meat, milk, and skins, but wool changed human history. Wool allowed us to survive in new climates and expand across the globe. Sheep shaped our landscapes, economies, and cultures. They're living links to our ancient past. Sheep communicate with a rich variety of bleats, each with unique meaning. Ewes and lambs recognize each other's calls within hours of birth. Each bleat is as individual as a fingerprint, vital for safety and bonding. Sheep can identify familiar voices and emotional states in the flock. The pasture is alive with meaningful conversation. In 1996, Dolly the sheep became the first mammal cloned from an adult cell. Her birth proved that adult cells could create a genetic copy, revolutionizing science. Dolly's creation opened doors to regenerative medicine and genetic research. Her existence sparked global ethical debates and scientific excitement. Dolly lived for 6 years, a symbol of a new scientific era. She remains a quiet, woolly pioneer whose legacy shapes our future. Wool is a natural superfiber, fire-resistant, insulating, water-repellent, and biodegradable. Its crimped structure traps air, keeping us warm or cool as needed. Wool resists flames, self-extinguishes, and absorbs moisture without feeling damp. It's durable, elastic, and sustainable, outperforming many synthetics. From clothing to carpets, wool remains a benchmark for performance. Nature's inventions often outshine our own. Next time you see a flock, remember, each sheep is an individual with memory, emotion, and intelligence. We've uncovered their hidden world, full of complexity and wonder. Sheep are ancient companions, woven into our history and culture. Which sheep fact surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more animal wonders. There's always more to discover.